and that is finally check out and unbox one of those DIY guitar kits from Guitar Kit World.
All right, so I just finished my Ibanez Gem style guitar from Guitar Kit World.
Someone who is a beginner woodworker and guitar maker, I couldn't be happier. I got it from Guitar Kit World, no endorsement.
So basically, this started out as a kit and left-handed from Guitar Kit World.
This is the Guitar Kit World L5 kit.
Everybody's like, wow, look at that. Yeah. This is a jazz box. This is a 7-string guitar. This is a build that I did. And this kit was by Guitar Kit World.
This one's 90-some years old. But I'll tell you what, when I want to make a dependable guitar for an artist that's going to tour with it, and I can still individualize the instrument if it has something of great quality, I'll get myself a Guitar Kit World kit. This is a single cutaway arch top body